these tools work. And remember, this applies to everybody's tools. What they do is they make contact with the conductor, energized conductor, whether you're phasing, whether you're verifying nominal voltage. They make contact, they couple with the capacitance. The tool, remember the tool, the components that makes tools work inside the housing are conductive. You need to know that. Remember that. Looks at that capacitance, that current, in relation to the ground plane. That's what it does. It looks at that current and it gives you a voltage indication by looking at that current. That's how these tools work. All right? Remember, you all are potential ground planes. You need to know that and always remember that when you're using these tools. You never want to use these tools with your gloves on, in your hand. Never. You're always going to be using them on a stick. We recommend that you stay at least 24 inches back. At least 24 inches back. You need to have something in writing that states that. Whether it's 30 inches, 24 inches, a lot of companies go 36 inches, and we're going to discuss some of those incidences that have taken place and things that happen when you don't. And they're not good, they're not safe. If you're holding one of these tools in your hand, remember how they work in relation to the ground plane. You are a potential ground plane. You will get false positives, you'll get false negatives. You're going to get skewed readings. If your body, you're in a bucket, you're on a corner pole and your body is near another phase, and you touch a conductor like this, basically what you're going to do is you're going to become a phasing meter because you're coupling with another phase. And instead of seeing 7,200 or close to that, you might see 13,000 because you're actually coupling with another phase, so you're out of phase. All right? Don't ever do this. Very dangerous. If you get your hand right here, these gloves, where are these gloves from? They're from the ground, right? They come from Earth. These couple with capacitance. They're not conductive, but they will couple with capacitance. Well, guess what? This coupling with capacitance right here is right here. Look how close that is to my arm that is conductive. Huh? That's a dangerous scenario, guys. A lot of arc flashes are taking place. I do a lot of post-incident training, and I don't like the post-incident training. I don't like that at all. I like pre, because it never happens. When you use your gloves, stay back away from your meter head, like this. You're going to get accurate readings, very accurate, because you're away from how that tool works, functions. You want it to go to the ground plane, not to you guys as ground planes. Make sense? If it's corded, and that cord comes out of the meter housing towards you, you better add whatever inches that is. So say it's 6 inches coming towards you, and let's say your utility says 24 inches, well, you better be 30 inches back now. And that needs to be in writing as well. Treat the cord as if it's energized, right? Right? All right, guys. Good.